So what we're gonna do now is create the system stand. We have our aquarium stand and aquarium. Now we need a support system for our grow system. And what we're gonna be using primarily is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. And PVC is very inexpensive and it is very necessary in aquaponic systems as far as the plumbing, and for you can use it for other things like we're about to use now for the system stand. And we're using 3/4 inch PVC pipe for this particular build, and it's going to be about 32 feet total worth of 3/4 inch PVC pipe. So here we're going to cut up our first section of the base of the stand, and this is going to be 3 feet long. You're going to need 8 of these for the to build this stand, and we're using our PVC pipe cutters and getting the job done. So remember that we cut 8 of these up total. Keep that in mind. Now here what we want to do is cut up 8 of these 3/4 inch PVC pipe pieces, and what we're going to do is use those to help connect the foundations together. Next, what we want to do is cut 4 extra pieces of 20 inch 3/4 inch PVC pipe. We want to cut 4 of these. Also, we have 3/4 inch tees. We need 8 of these total, and then we need 8 total of these 3/4 inch PVC elbows. Now what we can begin to do is place some of the 3 feet PVC pipe sections on the front and back end of the aquarium. We can take our 3/4 inch PVC elbow, and then we can place it on that 3 feet piece, and then we can take that 1.5 inch piece that we cut and stick it right in here, and this right here is going to connect together to the T, and we're going to do this on all 4 corners of the system support. So and then we're just going to connect them together using the 20 inch PVC pipes that we cut. So it's just going to be the front and back is going to be 3 feet, and then the sides, the side to side is going to be the 20 inch sections, and it's going to be the same thing when we build the top portion of this stand. It's just going to be upside down. It's going to be the same exact thing though. So from here we have our baseline or the base built, and we can start working our way upward for our support system because it needs to be higher than the fish tank in the system that we're putting together. So what we can do here is take our other 3 feet pieces, and then we can start sticking them inside of the T that we had that's facing upwards. We can stick it inside of the T and make sure you push down, put some weight on it so you can get it all the way in there. From the top, we're just going to put our other T, we're going to put it across the top portion of it, and then we're going to connect it with the 1.5 inch piece, and then with the elbow. It's the same thing that we did on the bottom portion, but it's just on the we're just doing the same thing at the top. And from there, what we can do is connect our other 20 inch PVC pipes together to the corners of both sides. And then after that, what we can do is connect the last 2 3 feet PVC pipes to the front and back portion of the system. And then that'll be the completion of our system support stand. Now, if you're outside and somewhere where it's windy, you're probably going to want to lie down some additional support to help the stand stay sturdy, to prevent it from blowing all over the place from the strong winds. Here it's inside of a hoop house, so there's no wind that's coming through, so this stand will do just fine. You can also glue it together by using some PVC glue, and this will add some sturdiness to it as well. But just make sure that you build it correctly first before putting the PVC glue on, because once you put that on, it's pretty much not coming off. That's it right there. So be cautious and make sure that you're building it correctly.